Perfect brows can truly enhance your facial features and complete your makeup look, but achieving flawless brows at home can be tricky without the right product. Eyebrow tints are a fantastic way to give your brows that natural, defined appearance without the daily hassle of filling them in. In this video, we'll walk through 7 of the best eyebrow tints that promise to deliver stunning, long-lasting results. Let's dive into these top-rated products that cater to different brow needs. Number 1. RB Renata Beauty Brow Tint Kit Light Brown. The RB Renata Beauty Brow Tint Kit in light brown offers a professional-grade solution to achieving beautiful, defined eyebrows at home. This tint kit is designed for easy application, featuring a cream-based formula that glides smoothly onto your brows. The kit comes with everything you need, including the tint, applicator brush, and a mixing tray, making it ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. The quality of this product is impressive. It's formulated to give your brows a natural-looking, long-lasting tint that doesn't smudge or fade throughout the day. The light brown shade is perfect for those with lighter brows who want to add depth and dimension, providing a soft, subtle enhancement. The formula is also designed to be gentle, ensuring it's safe for sensitive skin and doesn't cause irritation. One of the standout features of the RB Renata Beauty Brow Tint Kit is its durability. It provides a deep color that lasts for days, saving you time and effort in your daily beauty routine. Whether you're looking for a more defined look or a soft enhancement, this brow tint kit is an excellent choice for achieving the perfect brows every time.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Ardell Brow Tint Medium Brown. The Ardell Brow Tint in Medium Brown is another great option for those looking to achieve a long-lasting, natural brow color. This eyebrow tint is formulated to provide a rich, uniform color that adheres well to the hairs, leaving a beautifully groomed finish. The product comes with a developer and tint solution, both of which are easy to mix and apply for seamless results. Designed for easy application, this tint allows for precise application, ensuring that you don't overcolor your brows. The medium brown shade is versatile, working well for most skin tones and hair colors, from light to dark brunettes. Its lightweight formula is designed to stay in place, even during sweat or water exposure, ensuring your brows stay flawless throughout the day. Ardell's brow tint is known for its user-friendly approach and great value. It offers excellent color payoff and natural-looking results, perfect for anyone looking for a low-maintenance brow solution. The tint also lasts for a week or longer, making it an ideal product for those who prefer a longer-lasting tint over daily brow pencils or powders. Whether you're preparing for a special event or simply want to enhance your natural brows, Ardell delivers a reliable and professional-looking result. Number 3. MinaiBrow Dark Brown Tint Kit. The MinaiBrow Dark Brown Tint Kit is a comprehensive eyebrow tint solution designed for those who prefer a more dramatic, bold brow look. The kit includes everything you need: the tint cream, developer, applicator, and a brush to ensure a precise and smooth application. The dark brown shade is perfect for those with naturally dark brows or anyone looking to create a striking contrast to their facial features. This product is formulated with high-quality ingredients that ensure a long-lasting tint, delivering full coverage and intensity. Whether you have thick or sparse brows, the MinaiBrow Dark Brown Tint Kit works to coat each hair, providing a fuller, more defined appearance. Its creamy consistency ensures that it applies evenly without streaking or blotching, giving you a flawless result each time. The tint lasts for up to 2 weeks, making it a convenient choice for those who want low-maintenance, defined brows without the hassle of daily filling in. The MinaiBrow kit is easy to use, and the results are professional quality, giving you the ability to achieve a bold, lasting brow look from the comfort of your own home. Number 4. Cilrofelr Tattoo Peel Off Brow Gel Tint. If you're looking for a more innovative approach to eyebrow tinting, the Cilrofelr Tattoo Peel-Off Brow Gel Tint is worth considering. This peel-off gel is designed to create the look of tattooed brows that last for up to a week. The formula is unique, as it goes on like a gel and then hardens into a peelable layer, allowing you to remove it without the need for water or any special tools. The Cilrofelr Tattoo Peel-Off Brow Gel Tint is great for those who want a defined and long-lasting look with minimal maintenance. The product is easy to apply, and the gel texture makes it smooth to work with. Once applied, the gel forms a flexible film that holds the color in place and creates bold, defined brows. After waiting for the gel to dry, simply peel it off to reveal perfectly tinted brows. This tint is ideal for people who want to save time during their beauty routine. It is effective for individuals with busy schedules who want to skip the daily step of filling in their brows. With a wide range of shades available, the Cilrofelr Tattoo Peel-Off Brow Gel Tint is a great choice for those looking for a low-maintenance, long-lasting solution to their brow needs. Number 5. Fanterday Eyebrow Gel Peel-Off Tint Dark Brown. The Fanterday Eyebrow Gel Peel-Off Tint in dark brown offers a similar peel-off gel formula to the Cilrofelr product, but with a deeper, darker shade for those with darker brows or those looking to achieve a bolder look. Like other peel-off gel tints, this product creates a flexible film that tints your brows without the mess of liquid tints or powders. What sets the Fanterday Eyebrow Gel apart is its smooth application and the high-quality pigmentation that delivers a rich color. The tint lasts for up to several days, depending on your skin's oil production and your level of activity, making it a great choice for anyone who prefers long-lasting, low-maintenance results. The gel formula is designed to coat each hair, ensuring that you get a consistent and full coverage across your brows. The easy-to-apply gel and the peel-off feature make this product convenient and mess-free, ensuring that you can create stunning brows in no time at all. The Fanterday Eyebrow Gel Peel-Off Tint is perfect for anyone looking to achieve dark, bold, and defined brows with minimal effort. Number 6. Wonderskin Wonderblading Brow Tint. Wonderskin Wonderblading Brow Tint is another innovative product in the world of eyebrow tinting, utilizing a unique, long-lasting gel formula to achieve natural-looking brows. This product is designed for both precision and ease of application, allowing you to create sharp, well-defined brows with a soft, natural finish. What sets the Wonderblading Brow Tint apart is its cutting-edge microblading technology, which mimics the look of natural hair strokes. The tint formula is lightweight and non-greasy, allowing for a long-lasting, smudge-free finish. Once applied, the tint adheres to the brow hairs, creating a fuller, more defined look that lasts for up to a week. The Wonderblading Brow Tint is perfect for those looking to enhance their brows with a semi-permanent solution. The easy-to-use applicator ensures you can achieve precise lines and a perfectly shaped arch, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced beauty enthusiasts. Number 7. Revlon ColorStay Brow Tint Dark Brown. The Revlon ColorStay Brow Tint in dark brown is a high-performance eyebrow tint that offers long-lasting color and precision. This product is designed to create fuller, more defined brows with a natural finish that lasts for up to 24 hours. The tinted gel formula is easy to apply, ensuring smooth, even coverage without the mess of powders or pencils. The dark brown shade is perfect for those with darker hair tones or anyone looking to achieve bold, defined brows. The formula is designed to stay in place throughout the day, resisting smudging, fading, or flaking. Whether you're heading to work, running errands, or attending a special event, the Revlon ColorStay Brow Tint ensures that your brows stay flawless all day long. One of the standout features of this product is its precise applicator, which allows you to define your brows with accuracy and ease. Whether you prefer a subtle enhancement or a more dramatic look, the Revlon ColorStay Brow Tint delivers professional results that are perfect for any occasion. Achieving the perfect brows doesn't have to be a daunting task, especially with the right eyebrow tint. From easy-to-use peel-off gels to precision-tinted formulas, these 7 products offer a range of options to suit different brow needs. Whether you're looking for something temporary or long-lasting, there's a tint out there to help you achieve the brows of your dreams. Thank you for watching.